Hi, it's Carly McAvoy. Today I'm talking about finding the equation of a line, and I'm going to do three different videos. This is the first one of that part. There's a part that I've already done, and I'm going to use the slope-intercept form to find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. And you might have seen videos or heard your instructor talking about using the point-slope equation, and I do have a video on how to do that if you'd like to see that, but I'm not going to be using the point slope equation for these videos. If you want to find the slope-intercept form of an equation, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So the first thing, if you were given a graph, you'd want to determine what the y-intercept is. The y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis, and in this case, you can see that would be right here, which is 3 up. So our y-intercept here, or b as we call it, would be 3. And then you want to find the slope by finding the rise and the run between the two given points. So what you'd want to do is count from one point down to find the rise. We're going down, so it's going to be negative down to this next point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, and then to the right 2. So we have negative 6 over positive 2. And that's going to tell us that we have a slope of -3. It's always the rise over the run. So we have a slope of -3, and now we know the m and we know the b. So we just got to go back and plug those two things in, and we get y equals -3x plus 3. That tells us our slope is -3, and our y-intercept is 3. All right, so then going on to the next one, the other examples that I have, the next ones, we're given a slope and we're given a point. So if you're given a slope and a point, you already know the slope. So if you look at that y equals mx plus b, we have y equals 3x plus b in this case because they told us the slope was 3. So we're going to plug in the given x, which is -6, the given y, which is 3, and the slope, which is also 3, to find b. So we plug in y is 3, that's right here. The slope is 3, and the x is -6. So we plug those three things in, and we solve for b. -6 times 3 is -18. And then to solve for b here, you would just add 18 to both sides. And 18 plus 3 is going to be 21. So we just found out that b is 21, and we knew the slope was 3. And so our final answer then is y equals 3x plus 21. 3 being our slope and 21 being our y-intercept. You might want to pause the video right here and try that same thing with this second example that I have. In this case, we know the slope is -1/5, so if I was to plug that in, this is what we know so far, that m is -1/5. Now I'm going to plug in the given x, y, and m. Our given x was 5, our given slope was -1/5, and our given y was -9. So plugging into that equation looks like -9 because the y is over here by itself. -9 equals 1/5 times 5 plus b. And -1/5 times 5 is -1. So when I look to simplify that, I get -9 equals -1 plus b. Then I would add 1 to both sides, giving me a b of -8. And I would plug in that slope that I found, that I was given, which is -1/5, and the b that I found, which is -8. And it would look like y equals -1/5 x minus 8. Okay, that's it for this video. I'm going to go on to the next one in a few minutes. Join me there.